ezomemma onye na-eme mma aka na-agwọ ya anya jaba gị mma. Latin. Bad news day Quitalis peccatamundi miserere nobis ad news dei Quitalis peccatamundi dona nobis pacem. Kyrie Messiahs. Ponte magna gloria to okay, let me stop here. Ikpumkpu, Ikpumkpu cover, Ikpumkpu cover all Osofu, Osofu evil's negativities, Osofu evil's negativities against the world, against the innocent, against human, the energy. Example, Osofu and Osofu energy. The example, you see a particular group wake up, other group, other countries are busy researching, investigating, going on journeys, researching to discover so many solutions to many problems in the world, to make life better now and easier and simple for the future generations. But others are busy. They have no interest in that. Or they are researching, building bombs, weapons, preparing for secret wars against the innocent, against good countries, attacking them unbelievers. They come to their front, to their presence, they smile and say, "We are your friend, we are your friend." But inside their heart, their mind, they are wicked. They are plotting evil against the good countries, building up bombs, weapons, discovering, searching for bombs. They can, if they drop this bomb in this particular state, in 1 minute time, everybody in that state will be wiped out. If we drop this bomb in this city, in 1 minute time, everybody will be wiped out. If you breathe, you die. If the bomb kills you, you die. If you are hiding, you will breathe. The gas going into your nose, you die. That's all they care. They are example of Osofu group and possessed by Osofu. Osofu, O-S-O-F-U. Osofu, O-S-O-F-U. They are example of Osofu group. Terrorists, all they care to destroy lives and properties. They are example of Osofu group. possessed by Osofu, evil negativities. Everybody are happy. Holidays are coming. Different holidays, different places celebrating. Many people going out with their loved families. Some going to the beach, museum, parks, movies. But some people, all they care to go in disguise. Next thing, they start shooting everybody. Have open shootout, kill lives, kill many, or put bomb on their body, go there in disguise. They know they will die, but they want many to die with them and blow themselves up, blow themselves out. Then everybody die. They die. They are example of Osofu group, and they are possessed by Osofu. And when anybody is possessed by Osofu, if you like, give them medication, injection, food, resources. They are already possessed by Osofu. All they care, that in their heart, in their mind, the negative possession, the Osofu, if you free them, they go and carry out their evil mission. You see them, you are taking care of them in your hospitals, in your groups, giving them all the resources, all benefits, to show them love, to bring them back to real world. But they see all your help to them like, you guys should continue wasting your time. Continue wasting your time on us. Continue wasting your time on me. They see that like you are wasting your time. And they are there, using their little knowledge, praying against your foundation, praying against the staffs, the government bringing the help, the taxpayers, they are using their money to give benefits, or giving all the help, the resources. They are praying against these people, against the innocent, bringing the help. And they are casting curse spell against everybody. And they are wishing all dead to die, wishing all dead, all to die. And if any staff falls sick, they go to their group, go to their room, celebrate. Yes, we did it, we did that. Such people are possessed by Osofu, evil negativities. They are all example of Osofu. They come to government, some come to government and form a group and say, this is our group, and this is all we do in our group. Our group are preaching love, moving the world forward, doing charity. Then they accept them. But in their group, they are doing total different stuff. They are involved in criminality. They are criminals. They are terrorists. They are looking for a way to destroy lives and properties, rob banks, rob your seniors, all their millions they save and all their retirement, rob them, take all of them and go to their group and throw party in the air, drink, have sex with different kind of women and men, and celebrate. And celebrate other people's suffering. These people are possessed by Osofu, evil negativities, and they are Osofu group. To destroy all the Osofu group and all the negativities, Osofu, the energies, where they rise from, where they base. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitter colors, male dog, nketa, male dogs, obago, baby powders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins, otinku chicken, 4 he goats, destroy and turn them all Osofu. and to block where they struggle to rise and where they are rising and where they base, and to block there and block all of them. I use all animals, rooster, sense, tatri bitacolas, ebo ngene green blocking, uncountable rabbits, chuku and ndo tuya, walls, all colors blocking, biophysical and spiritual giant walls, block all of them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and I say, rise no more. Then to cover Ikpumkpu, to cover all of them, I use oke and adidi chicken, obolocha and oboloji, white and black chicks, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colas, Ibu Nkata Aja basket ritual, capture all Osofu, the energies, the group capture, bring them down. Trash bags, abafifia, plastic bags, wakiri, black blanket, aquoji, cover all of them. Tie, chain, blind, block, berry, cover all of them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and banish all of them out from all group, from all foundation, from all body, mind, soul, spirit, innermost self, and all foundation. Be banished in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Prayer stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace, sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit. Transfer to all for free, based in USA Nature Science and Technologies. Transfer to all hospitals, dental, psych ward, recuperative, serenity, recuperative care. Transfer to police, sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration, all legislation, executive, judicial. Transfer to all security. Transfer to Allied Universal Security. Transfer to all friends and well-wishers, supporters, good countries that support USA. Transfer to them for free and move us forward. We use water, buy eggs, drinks, all that goes into the body that are good to welcome this prayer, their power, authorities, manifestation, moving forward and free from Osofu, evil negativities, and energize us. So many people, he say, Sanko and Chiefpriest, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chiefpriest what? Chiefpriest USA. USA.